Question 4. 4 students are given the following list of assets. 3-bedroom house, banknotes and coins in a purse, money in a bank, money in a savings account, and shares in a public limited company. So what is the question? They're asked to order the assets from the most liquid to the least liquid, and the table shows their choices. Which student is correct? Notes and coins are most liquid. Let's see, most liquid to least liquid. So notes and coins, notes and coins. Here's notes. And next would be a savings account, an ATM. And next would be shares. You might need to wait for the stock market to open the next day to sell your shares. But shares are more liquid than your house. It takes time to sell your house, though hopefully you get more money than the other things. So answer for 4 must be A. Question 5 says, how would an economist establish the market demand curve for a private good? The market demand curve is just everyone's demand, right? Every consumer's demand in that market. So it's not the consumer surplus and total expenditure. A is nonsense. B is true. By combining individual demand curves horizontally, that's what you do with a market to make a market demand curve. Answer must be B. Let's see what does C say? By combining the price elasticity of what? No. And by multiplying price by quantity demanded. No, that tells you potential sales, I guess, but that's different values. So the answer for 5 must be B. That's how you make or establish a market demand curve. For question 6, here's some, let's see. D1 and S1 are the initial equilibrium points. Okay. And then they changed to D2 and S2. And what can explain that? Oh, let's see. I have to keep, so you can read the question. Okay. What pair of changes would result in the equilibrium for the product changing from X1 to X2? Oh, I see. So demand increased and supply increased. So we're looking for demand and supply increases. Let's see. Fall in the price of a raw material used. Oh, that's good, right? That is good. That's a yes. That will shift our supply curve to the right. And a decrease in the price of a complementary good. So when the price of a complementary good falls, the demand for this good will increase. So for 6, the answer must be A. And we don't really need to work through all the rest. A is correct. So answer for 6 is A. 2 parts, so shift 2 curves.